So this is it now. This is it. This is the ham bone. So this is gonna put the finishing touch to the soup. Yes, man. So this is the ham bone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. Yep. A pot of red pea soup will do the job. See that? That smoked turkey neck you have here. So we have some smoked turkey neck here. We have our corn. And that is sweet potato. That's the sweet potato like what I have in Jamaica. Not the sweet potato here. And I have some little tin as we call it. And this is made with whole wheat flour. And nice seasoning. And some carrots. So in this soup you will find, oh my God, see that? 13 beans. So I have smoked turkey neck and my ham bone. So you hear the pressure cooker going over there? That's my ham bone. I'm going to transfer it to here. So here it is. It's almost on the finishing. I put my scallion, my thyme, some garlic powder, and a little whatever seasoning you choose to put. I also put some coconut milk. Yes, man! Yes, so in Jamaica, this is what we do. We use the ham bone to cook our soup, and it's the pea soup that we cook. So this is the finishing. Oh my God, look at it, people. Yep. Yep. You're gonna get some pea soup here. There you go. You see that? Smoked turkey neck and smoked turkey wing. There we go. There we go. Yes, man. Very colorful. Oh my God. My. There we go. We're gonna get some pea soup here. Yep. Oh my God. You wanna taste some? Woo! Think I should have some? Oh my God. Yep. Oh my God. Yes, man. Yes, man. I'm going to taste it. I am going to taste it. Woo! Yes, man. I have the ham bone. I'm going to transfer it. I'm just waiting on the ham bone to put it. So I'm going to turn the flame down and let it simmer. So this is it now. This is it. This is the ham bone. So this is going to put the finishing touch to the soup. Yes, man. So this is the ham bone. I'm going to leave it here for about 15 minutes. Yeah. Yes, man. That's the ham bone. That's going to do the finishing touch. Can't have New Year's soup without the ham bone. No, sirree. No. Alright, so let's see a chef on that. So I'm just taking out some of this soup here. Yes, I'm ready for my soup. New Year's soup. Tell me if you guys cook New Year's soup. I can't wait. I really can't wait. That's it. See the bone? Yes. You don't think I deserve the bone? My mouth watering. I can tell you that. This is what I take out. This is what I'm going to have. Oh my God.